Today we'll be making Mikate, also known as beignet, puffpuff, Magwinya, or fat cook. So these are the ingredients required for the recipe. Starting off with the flour, you want to add 5 cups of flour into the bowl. You're then going to add half a cup of sugar, 1 packet of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then you're just going to mix the dry ingredients together. Okay, we'll then make a hole in the middle and add 2 to 3 cups of warm water. The warm water helps to activate the yeast. And then you're just going to mix until you get a good consistency. Okay, so after mixing your dough, you're now going to cover it and then cover it for an hour and allow it to rise. So this is how it should look after an hour. Okay, and then we'll now start shaping the dough and making them into small balls. Okay, so now we're going to be placing our small balls into the oil. Remember, these should be fried at a low heat to allow the dough to cook well from the inside. So we're just going to wait for them to become golden brown, and then you can also be turning them around so that they fried well on both sides. And then voila, it's ready. And they are so fresh and tasty, and these can also be enjoyed with mince, chips, eggs, cheese, or whatever you like. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.